I'm sitting here boiling sap, making maple syrup. So, watching bubbles. I'm making a little pipe here. I'll let you in on what goes into it, at least a little bit. So I'm working on his fingers right now. I use a variety of hand tools. I do use a hacksaw to saw it out. And I'll use some power tools to rough it out. Because I don't want to waste a whole lot of time doing that and get right into the fun stuff. This is one of my favorite tools. It's a triangular point. It's also one of my favorite scrimshaw tools, although not this particular one. I don't like it. The edges can be used as a knife for scraping, like this. This is Pipestone, by the way. This is Minnesota red Pipestone. And it carves really nice. So I can use it for a knife like that, or I can use it as a point, like a parting tool. Go in, define things, and lift things off of the base. You use them slightly different, but you can use a lot of the little hand wood carving tools on Pipestone. Of course, some you wouldn't use. You wouldn't use an actual parting tool, but chisels. This is just a regular flat chisel with a chisel grind, one-sided grind. They work quite nice. I wouldn't want to use power tools to do the whole project. It would take kind of some of the magic out of it.